How to connect Age of Empires with Google. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily connect your Age of Empires game with Google so that you can save progress, play on multiple devices and recover your account easily. So first of all, launch open Age of Empires on your device. From the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your avatar. After you do that, you'll end up in this Governor Info section where you need to click Settings at the bottom left. Under the Settings menu, tap on Account. Inside Account, tap the Bind button right underneath Google. Now you'll need to choose one of your Google accounts or enter your Google account's credentials. Make sure to type in your Google account information correctly, and once it is done, click Continue. Wait for a couple of seconds and you'll then be able to bind Age of Empires with Google. Once it is done, your game progress is synced to Google, making it easier for you to play on other devices or restore your account if needed. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.